Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's make these oatmeal cookies in this cute little pear shape. First, into a bowl add some melted butter, add some sugar and some salt. Mix it till the sugar gets dissolved. Add 1 room temperature egg with few drops of vanilla essence and mix it. Now let's add the dry ingredients like some oats, all-purpose flour and some baking powder. Mix everything really well till it becomes a cookie dough. If the dough is a bit loose, you can refrigerate it for some time and then start shaping the cookies. So first we'll shape the face of the bear. Then the nose and 2 little ears. Nicely press the ears with the face so that it won't fall off after baking. Now bake this at 160-degree preheated oven for 16 to 18 minutes. Now allow it to cool down completely. Once the cookies have cooled down completely, using some white chocolate and dark chocolate, you can color the cookies. So with white chocolate, I have colored the nose of the bear. And for the eyes and mouth, I used dark chocolate. So these cute little bear cookies are ready. You can send these cookies to school as a snack. So do try out this recipe, leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.